Hello friends, today I will tell you some more about social work. In the last video I mentioned how we can celebrate with children in the orphanages and it's a memorable experience. Today I will be telling you a few projects which were not very pleasant or which did not really work out well for us. All this leaves a lesson for us and it's important to learn those lessons. The first thing that I'll tell you about is a project of winter care, which meant that we were going to distribute blankets to the people on the street in winters. Now in Mumbai there is actually not a very harsh winter, but still in December, January we did this project. Middle of the night we went out and we gave blankets to those who were sleeping outside in the open and facing the cold. On one day, my friend and my servant went with me. We carried about 20-25 blankets and I was driving the Maruti van. And we went to Juhu Beach and we found lots of people lying there on the roadside and we distributed the blankets. And then as we were coming ahead, there was a petrol pump and there were about 2-3 people lying on the open area. So my friend and my servant got down and they gave the blankets to those 2-3 people. And as they were coming back to the car, from nowhere, about 10-15 people suddenly ran towards our car. We were lucky because my friend and the servant just entered the car and locked the door when they all came and surrounded the car. And this is, friends, at midnight. And they started banging the windows and pushing the car, and we were so scared and we didn't know how to manage because they were in front of the car, they were at the back of the car, we could not move at all, and it was frightening. But then I started blowing the horn continuously, loudly, and started pushing the car a little bit by a bit, and somehow at one moment I managed to push the car forward and we drove away. Now this kind of experience taught us that sometimes it's dangerous to do good work also if we go out in the open without anybody to take charge or control, and this is really something which we have to think about. Then I will tell you about another incident which actually was not bad, but it left a bad taste. My friend was the chairman of old age homes in the Lions clubs and I was in her committee. So she had a friend visiting from Gujarat who wanted to do a project. So she asked her to do it in one old age home. And that friend readily agreed to distribute blankets to about 40 residents of that old age home. And I accompanied them because I was in the committee. And that friend very generously got about 40 Oswal blankets, the ones that you get in plastic bags with zips and all. And I think each cost about 800 rupees. And we packed up almost half an Innova with the bags. And because this friend from Gujarat had come to attend her brother's wedding, she carried about 12-15 boxes of laddus also for the people there. And we all went. It was about 2 hours drive out of Mumbai. And it was a very pleasant experience because that place was very nice. And I went and I sat in a few people's rooms and chatted with the ladies, tried to come to know about their story and their background, while the others went room to room and gave a blanket to all of them. We had gone quite far, so we were supposed to have lunch in that same place. And after the distribution, we went to the dining area and we were served lunch, for which of course we paid also. And after the lunch, the secretary and the chairman, or rather the president of that place, they guided us towards our car. But I stopped and I said, well, I have made some kind of friends, so I would like to go and say bye-bye to them before I leave. So I went back to the rooms where I had been sitting and chatting with those ladies, And they were very happy to see me, and they said, you please come back. And I also smiled and said it was nice listening to you all and that. And while leaving, I said, okay, so you all enjoy your blankets. And they said, blankets? There are no blankets. Soon after you had distributed and left, the secretary came with the helper and collected all the blankets and took them away. And the surprise on my face was apparent, but those ladies with folded hands said, please, please don't say anything to them. And I left with that bitter feeling. And while I was sitting in the car waiting to leave, I saw the president's car, which had also come from Mumbai. And it was parked nearby, and a helper was putting about 8-10 boxes of laddus in the dicky of that car. And such experiences, friends, sometimes teach you a very big lesson. I don't know how people who are running such lovely institutions, doing such a noble job, can be like this. They get so much name and fame and acknowledgement, but the reality sometimes hurts you, hits you. And like I said, in the journey of social work, we have all kinds of experiences, and I definitely wanted to share such experiences with you. And I will be talking lots more another time. Thank you very much.